Hi everyone. So I know none of you is asking, but still I want to show you what's inside my miscellaneous or gadget bag. Let me start first with this eco bag. I bring this every time I travel, either staycation or domestic or international flight, only because this is very compact. Hindi siya mabigat ilagay sa either hand carry mo. Very helpful, especially if you go to places where they charge if you use their paper bag. So might as well makatipid ng konti. And here, meron ka ng eco bag. So this is from Uniqlo and malaki siya. Ang liit nung kanyang lagayan, pero this one, marami kang malalagay. Literally. Like so. Ayan. Tapos waterproof din siya, so madaling linisin. I brought this when we went to Boracay. So lahat ng mga gamit ko nandito. Tapos pwede mo lang siyang ipangharaba sa sun. Okay lang kasi madali siyang hugasan, labhan, banlawan. And madali din siyang matuyo. So the way I keep it inside this compact zip bag. Tupi mo lang siya ng ganyan. Tupi mo lang siya ng ganyan. And wala namang right or wrong way of folding it. The goal is pagkasya mo siya dito. Like so. So again, ayan, hindi naman siya delicate i-manage. And that's it. The next item that I'd like to share is this TNW microphone. Maliit lang din siya. Kasyang-kasya siya sa aking miscellaneous or gadget bag. And what's inside this pouch is itong charger ng microphone. I'm using one right now. So the audio that you hear is coming from this microphone. Meron din siyang receiver dito, and later on, I'll show it to you. Kasama na siya. That's the thing that you plug to your phone or to any gadget na may Type-C para magamit mo yung microphone. So, compact lang din siya. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. What's inside this is here. Of course, the charger. And then I have this, I forgot what you call this thing. I just keep it inside this plastic bag kasi hindi ko pa siya nagagamit and ayoko siyang maalikabukan. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin if it's windy and you're trying to record an audio. I haven't used this yet. Tinest ko siya actually. Tinest ko siya nung bago ko siyang nakuha. Pero yung as in gamitin ko siya sa pagre-record outside, hindi pa. But yeah, that's very useful. Next is this lace that comes with this microphone and itong dalawang magnet clip that you can use kung ayaw mong i-magnet this directly to your clothes. So, the way you use it is, let's say this is your shirt, ma-magnet mo lang siya. Like so. There you go. The way that you use this clip right here, you clip your microphone like that. By the way, ito yung pinaka-microphone niya. Yung on-off button nasa side. And then you clip it to this lace and wear it like an ID lace, like the usual ID lace. And then that's how you use it. I've never used this. Mas prepared kong gamitin na naka-magnet siya directly sa aking damit. And then once you're done, you put it inside. Oops. And then you put all of this back inside. So wala kang makakalimutan kasi nandito siya lahat. Put all of this inside and then that's it. That's how compact it is. Next item that I will be sharing is this selfie light, and this is also from TNW. This one is very handy, especially pag medyo low light or nasa labas ka, tas kailangan mo ng magandang lighting para sa iyong selfie pictures or video. So the way you turn it on, meron siyang button dito. You just hold and press until mag-on yung ilaw. And meron siyang combination ng warm and bright. Medyo sunny kasi right now, so hindi ko alam kung nagre-reflect sa camera, kung gaano siya kaliwanag. And then, eto yung pang change ng mood. And when you need to turn it off, just long press. And that's it. What's good about this is, mag-safe din siya. Meron din siyang selfie mirror. So, kung halimbawa, kailangan mo ng mirror before mag-selfie, it's right here. Naro-rotate din siya, like that. And then this is MagSafe. Like if you have your phone, magnet mo siya dyan. If you would like to use your back camera para makita mo yung sarili mo, this selfie mirror is very useful. And then if you need help sa lighting, just turn this on. And then yeah, pwede ka nang mag-picture using the back camera. Now, if you would like to use your front camera, you just need to flip this like that. And it's ready. Up next is this very compact tripod, and this is also from TNW. So TNW, baka naman. I brought this when we went to Boracay and Korea this year. I liked it because this is also MagSafe. So, mas madali siyang i-manage, especially kapag nagmamadali ka, di ba, when you're on a vacation, and may nakita kang magandang spot, nagmamadali kang mag-set up. So this is very useful. Just put your phone like that. And meron na siyang easy push button to release. And then that's it. And then you just need to expand. Other way of using this tripod, if you don't need to use your phone and you have camera, you can use this to mount your camera. Another option is if you don't have magnet like this on your phone, use this phone holder. So you can attach it. Meron siyang parang pupwestuhan dyan itong pang-clip. So you just clip it like that. Once secure, ayos lang natin siya. And it's ready for use. Pag nilagay mo yung cellphone mo, may expand naman siya like that. So let's do an example. So there you go. It's ready for use if you don't have magnet case. It's compact, it's small, it fits inside my hand carry bag. Next in my gadget bag or miscellaneous bag is this phone holder by Olanzi. Nagamit ko na to. I actually brought this when I went to Korea and Boracay. So there are few ways of using this. This is also MagSafe. So again, if you have your phone, magnet mo lang siya dyan, and that's it. You can use it. This one, dahil suction siya, this is a suction cup. If there's a flat surface, I don't know if you can see it here, pwede mo siyangisuction ng ganyan, and then you can use it for taking videos, selfie, or whatnot. And ano siya, matibay yung suction niya. Medyo mahirap na siyang tanggalin. Minsan nakakatakot kasi parang feeling ko masasama yung salamin. Ayan, sobrang tibay niya, mahirap tanggalin yung pagkakasuction. In my case, I use a card. But if you can remove it using your hands, much better. But that's how I remove it sa pagkakasuction. Another option is, this side is also MagSafe. So if you have your phone, lagay mo lang siya ng ganyan. And then you can suction this again to a wall and you will be able to use it. Or, kung may metal na wall or any wall na pwedeng gumana yung magnet, you can use this like so, nakaganyan siya, and then your phone you can put it here, because again, like that. This is just for demonstration purposes kasi ito ay glass. Yeah, those are a few ways of using this Olanzi phone holder. Again, this is very useful, especially when you travel and wala kang mapaglatagan ng tripod. Another item is this phone holder na magnet both side. And gawa din siya sa, I think, stainless ata to. I use it to hold my phone like that. And both sides you can use. So again, kung meron kang mapagdidikitan na surface na pwede ang magnet, you can also use this. So there you go. This is another phone case na very sturdy, as you can see. Other things inside my miscellaneous bag is this charger. This is for my selfie light, the TNW selfie light. I have a pen in case I need it while traveling. And then this very sturdy bag holder. So the way you use it, open mo siya ng ganyan. And then lagay mo siya sa side ng table. Like that. And then dito mo ilalagay yung bag mo. So kayang-kaya niya kahit yung computer bag or computer backpack. So these are the things inside my miscellaneous or gadget bag. So this is my gadget or miscellaneous bag, and I got this sa Travel Expo, and this is the perfect size because it fits my hand carry bag. So the way that I arrange my things inside, I put this mini tripod first, and then itong mga small things, ayan, including my Olancy phone holder, and then my selfie light, and of course the charger, the bag holder, the pen, and then my microphone. Lastly, this eco bag. And as you can see, maluwag pa naman siya. Ayan, zip it. There you go.